Mm. Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. It's Suhan Mustafa, 10th of October. Sorry, 14th of October, Tuesday it is. So we will have a quick update on Bitcoin. It didn't posted anything after that crash because there was uncertainty and things were not clear much. But now we had weekend passed over, Monday also gone. So I thought let's do some quick talks with charts. So let's get started. First, I will check my old chart if it is available. If I didn't deleted things from it, I will. If retracement is there, 11. Okay, I think I deleted. Let me check another one. Okay, I deleted. So let's get started. Back to work. So Bitcoin, it is 3 month chart, quarterly chart, one candle is of 3 months. So we will get started from here. I am not discussing all this shit back to the straight last 3 month. This candle. This is 3 month chart here. Previous quarter I marked high, low, low. This is high, this is low, and this is the mid range of previous quarter. So thus we needed this thing only. We needed this shit here on Bitcoin on quarterly candle, and now back on monthly chart. If you see the monthly October chart, the both side liquidity has been hunted. They grabbed first top, then came back down. Now price is in between. But what should we do here? Because many people got liquidated, many people are sleeping, they didn't bought anything. What should we do? What should we not do? So we will discuss this shit here. So back to the this is monthly chart. This is September top highs taken out, August also taken out. So two big liquidation on both sides. So straight come back to daily chart now. So we have this is our quarterly range here. We had our daily demand. If you are following me, you know this demand. We tapped here, bounced, retested, straight went up towards this zone, and this is my key zone. Like above 126 to 127.28 was my short zone, but unfortunately I didn't short anything, and it dropped quickly. But looking at the range, it played out range high, deviation simple, didn't retest it much, and then range low. This is what happened on charts. So this is now the demand, and we had this demand also here, which was left over. So they tapped in it. So what should we do now? Basically, what I'm looking at it that last night I longed here on base of reclaim of this mid range, but I got stocked out. This was my first trade after that crash. I took some spot here. They are still running, but in future trade I took this one. So I was targeting this daily imbalance. Maybe it get filled out a bit more, but it didn't reclaim deviation back and then down toward this daily demand. But one, two, three, four tap in same demand. I don't think so. This demand might play out, might not. It might not play out. So what should we do here? What should we do here? We can simply wait. There are two. What I'm thinking right now is there are two things which we can do here. Is one, either we wait for flip of mid-range, that will be good. We will target daily supply, simple, no fancy words, and wait for this wick. This wick. You see this one? The price is standing on this wick to be filled, at least to be filled 50%. Like filled it like tab 1 6 this zone, like quarterly range low. So basically what I'm thinking that we might we will be good at range low or to or reclaim of this range. So range low setup is simple. You can place your bids also here, stop here, or you can place your stop here too. That will be very wide. Then, if price came down towards in this zone, you can DCA as well. But personally, I will keep like this. And what should I target? I target mid range. And once it reclaimed, I will see reaction. If no good reaction, I will exit. No other than then I simply target the range high. So this is what I'm looking at it on Bitcoin chart. 105 is on table. Yes, it is on table. I am not trusting on this demand because it got many taps already. So if it holds here, very good, no worries. I have plan. I will enter in this zone. I am not in rush, not in hurry, nothing much on my side. Yes, I will enter here. I will DCA my position in this zone. I will wait. I will wait and then price. Hopefully it goes up and this will be my final TP zone for my spots as well, which I took on 102, 103 zone. So this is it on Bitcoin. Nothing much on it. Simply this wick. Why I am considering this wick to be filled? Let's check out volume. Simple volume it is. This is the volume bar on this drop candle. Okay. Now the second volume after this candle. The next candle. Look at the volume. There is nothing, nothing, nothing. If this volume bar should have been like somewhere here and it should have green. Whether this candle is red, blue, I don't care about that. But this volume should have been at least 50% of this volume and have a green candle here, then I thought that that zone should have been our bottom. But right now there is no buyback. That volume, I don't think the volume is not showing anything here. So I think these levels will be tapped sooner or later. So be careful in leverage. Spot is good. Yes, if you are looking to buy, you can buy current market price here. You can DCA here. You can DCA here. So three bids here. So, but right now, spot longs here. I will not consider longs here because structure wise, it is also not looking good to me. Making lower low, lower high. So it depends here. Structure wise, this is your BOS here. This will internal structure on lower time frame will shift here. So basically reclaim of mid-range is bullish. Below mid-range, don't go in leverage. Yes, if you see some short here, you can. But longs, I will not advise you to long anything here. Right now it's in lower time frame demand, but I think this is trap. This is again trap. Harmonic is also forming up here, so we might see a pump towards this supply again. This whole supply again once more and then drop. But simply I give you the longs two plans here, reclaim here or come back down towards to once if it breach this demand then I will remove this demand because this will be invalid. So this is it on Bitcoin. Nothing more, nothing high, hui. Simple chart it is. I give you the quarterly range demand daily here, which sliced through and it acted good till now, but not. It already tabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will not trust this 7 time here. So yes, if it gives me here, I will be good buyer here on Bitcoin or reclaim of the mid range. This is my plan. So whatever comes first, I will activate. Second, the best and the big coin is Ethereum. So Ethereum looks good to me than other coins like on Bitcoin. Ethereum looks okay to me, to be honest. So here is the key level here, 38.93. This is the 3 month range here. A big range was forming up here. We broke out, and this is the test of this range here. If you see on weekly, we the demand weekly demand and that key level is at same it in both are at same place, so there are chances that we today tapped in some consolidation and then we go up. Why I am bullish on Ethereum? Look at these pending highs, equal highs here. So yes, if it holds here, it will start moving slowly but surely 4800 or ATH might be our next target. So I already bought here some. I am in spot right now and it's still in the zone of spot, and if it comes down towards the zone something like this, I will buy more because I clearly see equal highs up there, and right now this important level tested here and it is taking some bounce as well. So yes, it is Ethereum is bullish. Then Bitcoin. I see rotation of money in it. So I will wait for Ethereum as well. I am already in spot selling here. If it come down, I will DCA my entry. I will be very happy if I bought cheaper. I will remove this weekly because we have this daily as well here. And right now, same level tested in front of you guys and it pumped already good. So if it holds here, then there are chances we go towards these equal highs and these highs, necked highs. So I am very much in spot and I will hold till these zones. So this is your Ethereum. The next spot which is Hype. Hype is at 38. You can buy current market here. Yes, you can DCA. This whole week is your DCA zone. Simple, simple, no shit, nothing. You can buy at 30 as well. If it given, I will buy much more here because I see this a big level of support up here on weekly. So hype is also good for spot. Target mentioned, I already marked this liquidity up here. So it is also coming down. If it comes down in this zone or in red zone 35.7, you can buy this shit. This will be a good spot zone. Another thing, other than that, Tau, everyone wants Tau. I will check Tau as well, but BNB to yesterday I shorted BNB. Didn't shared anywhere because this shit is the one of the strongest right now. It took the liquidity H1 structure shift H1 FPG, so I placed my bids here, stops above and targeting these lows. So in short, already I am holding, still holding, and nothing else I am doing with BNB. This is I hate this coin. Easter, lower time frame scalp. I am looking on Easter as well. So I think they have today they have airdrop live. They will do airdrop today, I think, and their policy is to buy back all airdrop. So if they gives you whatever airdrop you want, you sell at market price, they are buying back. So this is good. What I'm looking at Easter here is H4, if I open it, so these 4 5 charts which I am sharing, these are my personal picks, not financial advice. I know why I am investing in these coins, and I know the risk management and all shit. So you can also do the same. There are chances and fundamentally why things are moving. So yeah, I am doing the same shit. This was the range H4 reclaimed, tested again deviation back, so it is at range low. There are chances that it might. This is a simple support zone I marked on H1. This one. This is the H1 support zone. So if it slips towards this zone like 1.2, 1.15, I am buying it in a spot and I see liquidity and mid-range at the same point. So I will sell here. Where is the OTE zone as well if I marked it for myself. This is the that OTE zone. Actually low is this one. So 1.7, and this is also 50-50. If I get 30% pump, that's also enough for me. Because I am trading this shit on spot and it is giving me good money. This is making a good trend line up here. So yes, if we got something like here in this zone, I will enter in it. This is my plan on register. So these are 4 coins. Bitcoin I give you, Ethereum I give you, Hype. Hype is on current market price. It is a buy. Under 50, it is a buy for me. Tau. Okay, Tau. Look at my one line. This was the weekly support, but unfortunately, the this shit was too fast, too fast. I have this marked already. I have XRP. I have Dodge from months ago. So I have alerts on, but unfortunately things were too quick. I didn't get many things. I just bought Ethereum and Bitcoin with Discord family live at that moment. Whatever I was buying, I was sharing there quickly. So I didn't get any chance to buy Tau here. Why I am buying? Everyone is selling Tau, but I see these equal highs at 497. My plan was to buy some here at 183 and sell it at 497. This could have been a good trade for me, but unfortunately I didn't bought anything here. Like 2x. It is already at 2x here, 120, 30% it is up. But in case I got any chance, like look at the market is going down shit and this coin is up. So look at the strength and community they have. So yes, if I got chance something like 260, 250, might be I get in, but by look at it, I don't see I will get it. So I will just keep eye on it. There is no point to buy it here in this zone. Where is the Dodge? Dodge. My zone of interest was this, around 1.2. This was, I had, literally I had uh, alert set here and I shared this call many times, but market was very good, so I removed these bids and it tapped here. XRP is good. XRP can run hard. This XRP I might buy it. I might buy it soon because if this important level created a higher high, higher low, higher high. This was the higher high, then doing shit here, and then it clearly breaks higher high. New put a new high, so technically this demand should hold here. So I will buy. I will be the buyer of what XRP in this whole zone 2.3 to 1.9. And what I'm targeting simply highs. So if I got something here like 50-60%, for 60-50% I am looking at it XRP. My alerts were set here as well. Prank room, no one bought some many things. So because if we had limits, yes, I would have picked up, but unfortunately, I didn't have any limits. Uh, Other than that, all coins went drastically, exhaustively. That I was I was in soul from this zone, and my target was 252. It tapped here and then it took all liquidity below this trend line. I will mark it like this now. So 50% of it sold. Flip this and we are good. 252. Oi, who, who, we went to zero point 0.5. We thought this is a good coin. They promised us this is a good coin. What happened to say? Man, that was horrible. To be honest, really horrible. Minus 82% in one day. Wallahi. Many people lost. Like let's suppose someone is long from one point something from this zone he is holding. Like he held for years. This 2 years he is holding this price and one day and he is at break even. What happened to Dot? Okay, Dot, Dot, Dot look liquidity below here. November, November will be good for markets, guys. So basically, dot I will purchase it once we do a weekly closure above 4.4. I will target these highs. Simple. This is also good trade, I suppose. Spot like 2x. I will be happy with it. And if we got a brilliant run like this, who knows? We might tap in this zone. So yes, weekly close above here I am buyer. But this is it on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nothing else. Don't go look at. Oh, okay. This is my previous chart, which I was looking at it. I found it. Bitcoin, the range. This deviation, I was looking at it. It deviated, came back down. This is the whole impulse I marked. So yes, this zone might tap once more. Once more. Let's see. Let's see. And Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum is still in my zone, so I will keep eye on it. Other than that, if you are stuck in trade anything, you can join my Discord and ask me about those things. We will help each other, inshallah, and things will be better soon. Other than that, I don't see any major thing on Bitcoin. Like if you see we are in bear market, no, we are in not bear market, we are good. We are in still bullish market. Structure wise, look at Ethereum higher high, higher low, higher high. So this was the higher low. Ethereum, you want a bear market, break this low. 3364. You are bear market started. Bitcoin, structure wise, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this was the higher low. Break this higher low on daily and you will be in bear market. Simple as that. Keep things simple. This is your BOS at 98,125. Close daily below here. We are in bear market. This is your first target and this is your second target. Simple as that. Other than that, Bitcoin plan I shared alts and all things. So hopefully you get some benefit from it. From now on, inshallah, we'll share some trades if I got. So see you in next update soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye.